Hi everyone, this video is about covariance and correlation. We are going to use mid-exam marks and final exam marks to demonstrate. Covariance is a measure of how two variables are linearly related. The formula for population covariance and the sample covariance between x and y are defined as these. We also have a shortcut formula for sample covariance. Coefficient of correlation is a measurement of the strength and the direction of a linear relationship between two numerical variables. It is defined as the covariance divided by the standard deviation of the variables. Here's the formula for a population coefficient of correlation and a sample one. The advantage that the coefficient of correlation has over the covariance is that it has lower and upper limits, which is -1 and 1. A correlation close to 1 indicates the two variables are very strongly positively related. The closer the correlation is to 1, the closer the relationship is to being described by a straight line, sloping upwards from left to right. A correlation close to -1 tells us that there is a strong negative relationship. As one variable increases, the other decreases. A correlation close to 0 indicates that no straight line relationship exists. Now we are going to calculate covariance and correlation of mid-exam marks and final exam marks using Excel functions. We should always start with an equal sign and covariance. For the reason that population is always hard to acquire in the real world, we always use a sample function. So we choose .s here, and then select mid-exam marks, and also final exam marks. So here is the covariance of the two data sets, and for correlation, also select the two data sets and press enter. I want 4 decimal places here, so yeah. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.